How to record a video call on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new video of TechTube. If you're trying to record a video call that you're having or about to have on Messenger, then let me show you how it's done. Now most of the phones these days have a built-in screen recorder. You can use the screen recorder that is built in, but sometimes these screen recorders don't work and capture a blank screen whenever you try to record it or record a video call. So for this you can use a third-party application or a screen recorder called X Recorder. You can easily find this application on the Play Store. You can download it and you can now tap on it and this menu will open up. Once you tap on this menu, you can tap on this settings icon and it's gonna take you inside of the app. Once you're inside of the app, by default the microphone would be muted. So you just need to tap on the microphone option and make sure that it's selected to microphone instead of mute. Once that is done, you can also manage other settings such as the video resolution and the video quality. You can take a look at these options. Once that is done, you can now start a video call first, or you can also start your screen recording first by tapping on this menu. And you can tap on this red button right here. Once you tap on this red button, your screen will start to record and everything that is displayed on your screen will be captured. So that's the process of recording a video call on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this.